Learning data science didn't just teach me about data, it taught me about life. Hello, welcome to Franklin InTech. I'm glad you're here again, growing with me step by step. When I started learning data science, I thought it was just about coding, numbers, and analysis. I thought it was about learning tools like R, Python, and building models. But as I kept going, I realized something deeper. Data science started changing how I see life. The first thing it taught me was patience. In data science, things don't work immediately. You write code, it breaks. You clean data, it's still messy. You build a model, the result is poor. Nothing works perfectly at first, and that's frustrating. There were moments I felt like giving up, moments I questioned if I was even good enough. But over time, I understood something. Growth takes time, just like in life. Results don't come instantly. You may be putting in effort, but not seeing results yet. That doesn't mean it's not working. It just means it's still processing, just like data. The second thing data science taught me is logic and thinking clearly. You can't guess your way through problems. You have to think, you have to break things down, you have to understand why something is not working. And I realized, life is the same. Many of us react emotionally to everything. We panic, we overthink, we assume the worst. But sometimes, the problem just needs you to pause and think clearly, not emotionally, but logically. When you start thinking clearly, you stop making careless decisions, you start responding better to life. And that alone can change everything. The third thing it taught me is problem solving. In data science, every task is a problem. Missing values? You solve it. Errors in code? You fix it. Bad results? You improve it. You don't run away from problems, you face them, you sit with them, you solve them. And that mindset changed how I handle life. Instead of running away from challenges, I started asking myself, what can I do about this? Because problems are not there to stop you, they are there to grow you. Every challenge you face in life is building something in you: strength, patience, understanding. And if you keep avoiding problems, you will also avoid growth. Another thing I learned is this: consistency beats intelligence. In data science, you don't need to be the smartest person, you just need to show up every day, learn a little, practice a little, improve a little. And over time, you become better. The same thing applies to life. You don't need to know everything, you just need to keep going. Even when it's hard, even when it's slow, even when it feels like nothing is working. Because progress is happening, even when you don't see it. Learning data science made me realize that life is not about quick results, it's about understanding the process, trusting the process, and growing through the process. So if you're struggling right now, if things are not making sense, if you feel like you're not moving forward, just remember this: you are still learning, you are still growing, and just like data, everything will make sense. With time, what to learn from this story? Lesson 1: patience is necessary for growth. Results may not come immediately, but consistent effort will always pay off. Lesson 2: think logically, not emotionally. Clear thinking helps you make better decisions in life and avoid unnecessary stress. Lesson 3: problems are part of growth. Instead of avoiding challenges, face them. They are building your strength and knowledge. If this message connects with you, subscribe to my channel for more inspiring videos like this. Let's grow together. Thank you so much for watching.